Hi there, I am Alessandro Lombardi, CEO and co-founder of ITSelecta IT Recruitment Agency. Today, I'm going to tell you why Poland is the right place to open your IT hub and to recruit skilled IT contractor. The answer is simple, it's all about the people. Poland has a great talent pool of highly skilled candidates used to working with international companies and proficient in English. In fact, they are number 13 out of 113 countries according to EF, English Proficiency Index. Poland ranks among the top in the world for developer skill and expertise, ensuring the best technical talents for your projects. Poland is number 3 according to HackerRank, and according to Domain, Poland is number 1 in Java, is number 4 in tutorials, is number 2 for Python, is number 4 for Shell, is number 5 for Ruby, and is number 3 according to the IT Competitiveness Index according to Emerging Europe Future of IT 2023 report. There are around 600,000 IT professionals in Poland, 23 IT universities, and in 2021 there were around 68,000 students in IT. And when it comes to performances, according to Stanford research from Yegor Denisov Blanche, Poland's software teams are top performers, outshining the global average by 50%. And according to Stack Overflow Developer Survey 2023, Poland is more competitive in terms of salaries compared to 21 countries. This makes Poland a prime location for IT hubs, providing access to skill, talent, cost efficiency, and high-quality output. Get in touch today for a free consultation or to find this impossible to recruit candidate in the market.